Artificial intelligence is infiltrating just about every area of our lives, including the legal world.
Will AI replace lawyers? That's the question everyone seems to be asking. But before we hit the panic button, let's take a closer look. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping industries, from healthcare to finance, and yes, even the legal profession. From contract reviews to predicting legal outcomes, AI is reshaping how things are done in the legal world. But is it really going to replace lawyers? Let's start with the basics. When we talk about AI in the legal profession, we're referring to advanced technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics. These tools analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. AI also reduces human error. It's no secret that manual review process can be tedious and prone to mistakes, especially with large volumes of data. AI, when properly trained, can catch inconsistencies or errors that a human might miss. Now, here's the catch. AI has its limits. Sure, it can process data faster than any human, but when it comes to understanding context, human emotions, and the nuances of the law, AI has a long way to go. Law isn't just about the rules. It's about interpreting those rules in real-life scenarios, something that requires a human touch. Then there's the ethical concern. AI doesn't have a moral compass. It doesn't understand nuances or context the way a human does. In legal matters, these subtleties can be the difference between winning or losing a case. Imagine an AI trying to argue a case involving complex human rights issues, or one where the stakes are emotionally charged. Would you trust a robot to defend you in a court? Probably not. Lastly, there's the fear of job displacement. With AI taking over routine tasks, there is a concern that junior roles in law firms might be at risk. Another critical aspect to consider is the legality of AI across various sectors. Who sets the rules? How do we ensure it's used ethically and responsibly? This is where lawyers play an irreplaceable role, from privacy laws to intellectual property and liability concerns. Lawyers are the ones interpreting and shaping the laws that govern AI use. So, will AI replace lawyers? The short answer is no, at least not entirely. Here's why. Legal work isn't just about crunching data, it's about advocacy, ethics, and understanding the nuances of human behavior. A lawyer's job is not just to interpret the law, but to navigate the complex situations, negotiate deals, and represent clients in court. These are tasks that require human judgment, empathy, and the ability to persuade, skills that AI simply cannot replicate. In fact, lawyers who embrace AI are likely to have a competitive edge. They can deliver results faster with greater accuracy, but they are still the ones making the final calls, interpreting the data, and persuading judges. Moreover, non-lawyers using AI to handle legal matters could find themselves in problems. AI might provide a legal overview, but it lacks the ability to offer tailored legal advice. For example, an AI might help you draft a contract, but it won't warn you about the potential loopholes specific to your situation. Think of AI as a powerful tool, not a replacement. Just as medical professionals use advanced machines for diagnostics, but still require a human doctor to interpret the result, the legal field needs lawyers to interpret and apply the law correctly. Law isn't black and white. The legal world is full of gray areas, and lawyers are known for their strategic thinking, sometimes bending the rules to gain an advantage. Take adjournments, for example. Lawyers often use adjournment as a strategy to buy time, pressure the opposing side, or prepare a stronger case. These aren't simple, straightforward moves. They involve understanding the personalities of the judge, the dynamics of the courtroom, and the nuances of the case. Looking ahead, the relationship between AI and the legal profession will continue to evolve. New roles will emerge. The key will be in striking the right balance, embracing AI's efficiency without losing the invaluable human touch that defines the legal profession. So, will AI be able to replace lawyers? Well, it's more about evolution than replacement. As AI continues to advance, the new role of the lawyer will also evolve, adapting to the new technologies while preserving the core values of the legal profession. As a wise man once said, AI will not take your job, but the person who uses AI will. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section.